All right, turning back to our weather, some rain moving in. Any that's going to keep us up tonight, Albert?
Yeah, you may be woken up 1, 2 o'clock in the morning because the winds are going to be kind of rustling up the trees just a bit, maybe even a rumble of thunder, but none of this activity is severe. This same complex of thunderstorms that if you're watching during the 4, 5, and 6 o'clock newscasts spawn tornadoes and tennis ball size hail in central and also western Iowa, but it's weakening. It gets a little closer to us. So passing showers, some gusty winds in the overnight. Tomorrow, though, nice day. We'll have a little bit of cloud cover in the morning, sunshine mid-morning into the early afternoon, a little bit more cloud cover, mid-70s by 5 o'clock. And then rain chances come back Thursday into Friday, with the best rain chances coming late in the day Thursday. Looks like Thursday evening a chance of thunderstorms and even some rain chances around as we head into your Friday morning. Radar's active, though, right? This activity, though, is light to moderate rain, a couple of rumbles of thunder to the south of Davenport and head in our direction. There's a couple little spot showers out ahead of it. One getting a little bit closer to Morris right now. One other one that's passing over Oswego and getting a little closer to Aurora, not amounting to a whole lot, but the radar will fill in a little bit more between now and about 1 a.m. I want to show you future radar at midnight, and then we'll go to 2 a.m. and our latest data suggesting maybe a rumble of thunder not too far from Joliet around 2 a.m. This is light rain in Chicago, light rain up towards Waukegan, but it could be coming in with some wind gusts 30 or 40 miles per hour, and even possible out here towards the far southwest that we could get a rogue wind gust up to 50 miles per hour for tonight. But we're dry tomorrow morning. We see some sunshine, and that's going to boost our high temperatures to near 70 at noon and then mid-70s in mid to late afternoon, more of a partly cloudy sky, and 73 at 3 p.m. We'll top out at 76 degrees here in Chicago, but low 70s along the lakeside, mid 70s, so away from the lake, not just in Illinois, but also in northwest Indiana. Shower chances are back on Thursday morning. Best chance of thunderstorms come Thursday evening. Huge range in temperatures on Thursday. We're going to have a southeast wind, so notice the 80s away from the lake, but only in the upper 60s at the Loop, only in the low 60s in Waukegan. How about that? 61 Waukegan to 83 in Kankakee on Thursday. A little bit more uniform temperatures in most spots in the low 70s. Unless you're right along the immediate lake, it'll be a bit cooler with those rain chances around. Here's how it works out. Tomorrow night we're dry. Showers come in as we head into Thursday morning. A chance for an evening thunderstorm on Thursday, and those rain chances for Thursday night and even lingering into Friday morning. But then we'll start to dry out as we head into your Friday afternoon. Under an inch of rainfall in most spots expected with that Thursday and Friday system. How about the weekend? Well, we got a few showers that will pass them by on Saturday, but mainly dry. A little cooler on Sunday, and then we're packing this unsettled weather pattern. Interesting pattern we've been. We get like 2 days off from rain chances, and they're back for like 3 or 4 days, and that's going to be the case for the first half of next week.
All right. Thank you, Albert.
Okay.